In our top story tonight, nearly 3 years after oil was released into the Flint River, a man is charged in connection to that spill. He's headed to trial. Rajinder Minhas is accused of mismanaging and neglecting maintenance upgrades at Lockhart Chemical, leading to that spill into the river. This all started on June 15, 2022, when a fisherman noticed the oily substance in the river. He'll go to trial in circuit court. If found guilty, 60-year-old Minhas could face years in prison. The charges were first announced last December.
This was a particularly egregious set of circumstances, and as such, we felt the need to charge criminally.
Attorney General Dana Nessel stood next to Genesee County Sheriff Chris Swanson at that press conference 5 months ago. It took them more than 2 years to charge Minhas, and it'll be 3 years when he finally gets to trial. Sheriff Chris Swanson saying in December this was a complicated case.
It's a scientific criminal investigation. I can tell you it's the largest environmental investigation this office has ever had in its history.
When this happened in 2022, a no contact order for the Flint River lasted throughout the summer and fall seasons. During July and August that year, we learned Lockhart Chemical was continuing to have oil spills into the Flint River. 2 days after the original spill was reported, Sheriff Swanson held a news conference, and when asked if charges were possible then,
even if it's negligent and not intentional, it could very well be some culpability there. So we investigated as it was any other issue, a crime-based issue, and then let the facts be the facts.
Attorney General Dana Nessel wasn't available for an interview on the latest developments, but in a statement she says, quote, serious violations by businesses that endanger the health and well-being of Michigan residents and our environment cannot be tolerated. I am grateful to the talented prosecutors in my office, the dedicated experts from the Department of Environment, Great Lakes and Energy, Michigan State Police, the Genesee County Sheriff's Office, the Oakland County Sheriff's Office, and detectives of the Eagle and DNR Environmental Investigation Section, who all played a significant role in advancing this case through the judicial process. So far, there's no date set for the next court hearing. Minhas has been free on bond since December. Lockhart Chemical filed for bankruptcy in October of 2022.